We're making the perfect winter sweet cocktail, the Mudslide, baby. Alright guys, we're making a mudslide today. We missed Valentine's Day last week because of the Super Bowl, but this week we're covering for Valentine's Day with a sweet mudslide.
Yes. Alright, so I'm going to start off. We got some glasses, and I'm just going to make a nice chocolate rim around it. It looks pretty cool. So I'm just, I guess some Hershey syrup here. I'm going to just put the glass in there, and then I got a nice ring on there. Nice, beautiful ring. And then I'm going to do the other one. Oh, put some more in there. All right. Let's see those rings. All right.
Okay, we got it filled with ice, and now we're going to start with some milk. We're doing about an ounce of milk in each drink. So here we go with the milk. One in that one. And one in that one.
All right. Next thing, we'll take some vodka. And we got the whipped vodka. We've tried it before and it's good, so it doesn't really affect it that much, I don't think. Just gonna add a shot of vodka. All right.
All right. Next up, we got Kahlua. It is a really good coffee liquor if you haven't had it before. So we're going to put 1 ounce into each glass.
All right, and then we're going to top it off with some Baileys. This is an Irish cream. A lot of people like to use this in their coffee. It's really good in their coffee too. But we're just going to add some of this. It's 1 ounce.
Yes.
Okay.
Looking good.
All right.
And then we're going to give it a little mix. Get it all mixed up. And then lastly, I'll let you do that.
We're going to put some chocolate over top of it. So we have like a, what's this thing called? Like
zester.
A zester. And I got a Hershey bar. And I'm just going to...
I'm out.
There we go. This is why we drink.
This is why we drink. This is like a sweet, but you can still taste the liquor a little bit. It's like chocolatey, coffee-like. Very good.
Very good.
Yeah.
It's like a dessert, a good dessert drink.
Yeah.
You gotta try it.
Yep. All right, we'll see you next week.